This is the Everything Tutor. So in this video, I'll explain to you how to use 再说 in Chinese. So this is a very simple structure to use. You just say something like, I don't want to go to the store. And then you say a reason, and then you say 再说, and then another reason. So it is very, very direct. So let's look at an example. So 你别走了. So don't walk, which means like don't go out. And then it says its first reason, 天太晚了, which is like the day is getting late. And then 再说我们要说的事还没说完呢, which is kind of complicated of a sentence, but it's really just saying like also we didn't finish talking about everything that we were meant to discuss. So it is really, really simple. All right, another example. 我不打算去日本游行。日本东西太贵。再说我以前去过日本。So in this sentence, it's just saying, I don't plan to go to Japan, like to travel to Japan. And then it says its first reason, Japan, or things in Japan are very expensive. And then 再说. And then another reason, which is, and I have gone to Japan before. Let's look at one last very simple example. So this sentence, 我不要去商店，我很累，再说我没有钱. So this sentence is just saying, I don't want to go to the store. 我很累, which is I'm very tired. And then 再说, additionally, 我没有钱, I don't have money. So to summarize, you're just saying like a statement, and then you're saying a reason that supports the statement, and then you say 再说 and follow that with another reason. So it's a very simple structure.